Deep inside you lies a force so powerful it can change your life in ways you never imagined. This force is not just a fleeting moment of inspiration, it's a wellspring of energy, creativity, and strength that resides within you, waiting to be tapped into. A force waiting to be unleashed. It's the drive that pushes you to start a new journey, the courage that helps you break free from the chains of doubt and fear. It's the spark that ignites your passion and fuels your determination. This force is your potential. It's the seed of greatness planted within you, ready to grow and flourish. It's the vision of your highest self, standing tall and proud, looking out over the vast landscape of possibilities. It's bigger than you can imagine. It's as expansive as the Milky Way, as boundless as the universe itself. Your potential knows no limits, no boundaries. It's a force that can take you to heights you've never dreamed of. It's time to break free. Free from the constraints that hold you back, from the fears that keep you grounded. It's time to spread your wings and take flight, to soar above the obstacles in your path. Time to break free from limitations, to shatter the glass barriers that confine you, to cross the finish line of your doubts and fears. It's time to push beyond your limits and discover the true extent of your capabilities. You are destined for greatness. Believe it, we all have dreams. We all have goals. But it's the belief in ourselves that turns those dreams into reality. It's the confidence that propels us forward, the determination that keeps us going. But something holds us back. We doubt ourselves, we fear failure, we stand at the edge of our potential, hesitating to take the leap. We look in the mirror and question our worth, our abilities. But what if I told you you can overcome anything? That the walls you face are not insurmountable, that the weights you carry can be lifted. With determination and perseverance, you can conquer any challenge, overcome any obstacle. You have the power within you. It's a power that glows with a radiant light, a power that shines through your eyes, a power that emanates from your very being. It's a power that can transform your life. It's time to unlock your potential, to turn the key and open the door to your future. To step into the light and embrace the possibilities that await you. It's time to become the best version of yourself, to stand tall and proud, to look in the mirror and see the person you were always meant to be, to smile with confidence and pride. It's time to live a life of purpose and passion. Are you ready? Ready to celebrate your victories, to walk confidently down the path of your dreams? The power within you is waiting. Embrace it, live it, be it. Before we continue, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot. Also, please like and subscribe below. Thanks. Ash Mufareh is a beacon of hope. His words resonate with people from all walks of life, inspiring them to reach for their dreams and believe in their potential. He is a guide to unlocking your potential. Through his mentorship, countless individuals have discovered their true capabilities and have been empowered to take control of their destinies. His teachings are transforming lives. Whether in a classroom setting or through personal coaching, Ash's insights have led to profound changes in the lives of many. He shows you the path to success. By breaking down complex concepts into actionable steps, he makes the journey to success seem attainable and within reach. Ash Mufareh understands the struggles we face. He has walked the path of adversity himself and knows the challenges that can hinder progress. He knows the doubts that hold us back. He has overcome adversity. His personal journey is a testament to the power of resilience and determination. Now he shares his wisdom with the world. Through seminars, workshops, and one-on-one sessions, Ash imparts the knowledge he has gained over the years. His message is simple but powerful. It resonates deeply because it is rooted in real-life experiences and practical wisdom. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. With the right guidance and mindset, the possibilities are endless. His strategies are practical and actionable. They are designed to be implemented in real-world scenarios, ensuring that you see tangible results. They are based on years of experience. Ash's methods have been honed through years of practice and refinement. He has helped countless individuals achieve their dreams. The success stories of those he has mentored are a testament to his effective approach. He can help you too. No matter where you are in your journey, Ash's guidance can provide the support and direction you need. Are you ready to embark on this journey? The path to empowerment and success is waiting for you. Take the first step today. Unlocking your potential starts with your mindset. A growth mindset is essential. It's about believing in your ability to learn and grow. It's about embracing challenges. It's about seeing failure as an opportunity. With a growth mindset, you become unstoppable. You are not afraid to step outside your comfort zone. You seek new knowledge. You constantly strive to improve. Embrace the power of yet. You may not be where you want to be yet, but with dedication and hard work, you will get there. Believe in yourself. Believe in your ability to grow. Section 4, Strategy 2, The Power of Belief. This section delves into the incredible impact that belief can have on our lives and our achievements. Belief is a powerful force. It is the foundation upon which we build our dreams and aspirations. It can shape your reality. The way you perceive the world and your place in it is deeply influenced by what you believe. If you believe you can achieve something, you are more likely to achieve it. Belief fuels your actions. It fuels your persistence. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your vision. This unwavering belief will drive you to put in the effort, to keep going even when things get tough. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. The opinions of others should not dictate your potential. Your beliefs create your reality. Visualize your success. See yourself achieving your goals and living your dreams. Feel the emotions of achieving your goals. Let the joy and satisfaction of success fill your heart and mind. This will empower you to take action. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take the steps necessary to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless when fueled by belief. Believe it, and you will achieve it. Trust in the power of your belief to guide you to success. Section 5, Strategy 3, Take action, achieve greatness. Knowledge is important, but action is key. You need to take action to unlock your potential. Start small, but start today. Every step counts. Break down your goals into smaller steps. This will make them seem less daunting. Celebrate your successes along the way. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a part of the journey. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Action breeds momentum. Momentum leads to greatness. You are capable of achieving anything. Take action today and unlock your full potential. For more information about how to find success, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.